Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Hisense H6 series 60-inch 4K UHD smart TV. Now, they have a special way they want you to unbox this, so I'm going to show you the steps exactly how they prescribe them. First thing to do is to have it standing upright, not laying down. Then you're going to just take a box cutter and slice open the top of the box. Once you do that, you're going to find the two foot pedals that the TV will stand on. Then you're going to remove those, set them aside. Then you're going to take out the top piece of styrofoam, and then along the bottoms on each side is two plastic pull tabs that you just pop right out. Once you have those out, the box will lift up and over the TV, and the TV will stay standing up. It's got supports to keep it standing up. The next thing you'll find is the package that has the startup guide and the warranty and specifications. It's also got 4 screws that you'll use to screw in the feet. It's got a remote control and some batteries. All right, once you remove all that, then you're going to remove the rest of the styrofoam, and there's a piece of cardboard that comes out. Now you're going to want to have this next to a table or something soft that you can lay it on. You're going to lay the TV face down, and they want you to grip it by the bezels on the outside so that you're not pinching the screen, because the screen can crack when you do this part. Now it's recommended that you use 2 people to lift it up out of the box, not 1. But I didn't have 2 people that could handle it, so I did it by myself. All right, once you have it laid down, you peel off the wrapper and you install the feet. And there's a left and a right marked foot, and they'll only fit in one side. And you pop that in there, and you're going to take the 4 screws and just screw those in. Also, you can see some of the inputs on the back of the TV there. You've got your red, white, and yellow for just the regular audio and video input wires. There's also a cable input. There's HDMI input. It's got all the inputs you'll need for a new TV. I believe there's 2 HDMI inputs, and there's an Ethernet input for your broadband streaming. Okay, so once you get it, all 4 of the screws in there and tightened up, you're just going to put the plug in, and then you're going to take the TV and 2 people at the corners, lift it up and set it up, and you're all set. So here's an example of my YouTube channel and how it looks on this TV. You've got a bunch of different picture modes and sound modes to choose from that are preset. You can also go into the settings and change things just how you like them. I found that the pictures that came with it, the colors weren't ideal. I messed around with it a lot with all the settings, and I was able to come up with some stuff that was pretty good to my liking. It took a lot of work and it still wasn't perfect, so I'd say the picture on this is slightly lacking as compared to a higher end TV. The sound I thought was very good for a TV without a soundbar. Just on its own, I thought the sound was excellent. It was loud, got virtual surround, things like that. Overall, I'd say the sound is probably the best thing of this TV. The picture is good enough at this price range that I would go ahead and recommend it if you can't afford a more expensive TV that's got better picture. But for 4K, any kind of infographics that you'll see on the TV look as good as you'll see on any other 4K TV. It's the moving pictures is where it's somewhat lacking. You'll see faces of people that just aren't as sharp and clear as they could be, and the color is not, in my opinion, not perfect, but it does have good contrast with the dark blacks, things like that. So yeah, if you are budget restricted, then go ahead and pick one of these up. It's nice and big, it looks good. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe.